The ultimate guide to gut health. Did you know that 70% of your immune system is linked to your gut health? If you're tired of feeling bloated, fatigued, or just not your best, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful, natural ways to heal your gut and reclaim your vitality. Let's dive in and transform your health together. The importance of gut health. The adage, "Health begins in the gut," holds more truth than many realize. A healthy gut leads to a vibrant, long life, while an unhealthy gut can significantly shorten life expectancy. Our digestive system is responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and housing the majority of our immune cells. But its importance goes beyond these functions. The gut is deeply connected to the brain through the enteric nervous system and produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, which regulates mood and cognition. In fact, approximately 90% of serotonin is produced in the gut. One study highlights the connection between gut and brain health. Up to 90% of individuals with IBS also experience anxiety or depression. This demonstrates the gut's far-reaching impact on mental health. Moreover, chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, cardiovascular issues, and autoimmune conditions often have roots in poor gut health. Signs of an unhealthy gut. Here are some warning signs that your gut may need attention. 1. Foul-smelling bowel movements. If your bowel movements are excessively odorous, it could indicate slow digestion, fermentation of food, or an imbalance of gut bacteria. 2. Frequent migraines with nausea. Headaches accompanied by nausea can point to gut disturbances. 3. New food allergies. Sudden sensitivities to foods you once tolerated may indicate an impaired gut lining. 4. Sleep disturbances. Difficulty falling or staying asleep can result from imbalances in gut health. 5. Unexplained weight fluctuations. Rapid weight loss or gain may signify gut-related metabolic dysfunction. 6. Chronic fatigue. Persistent tiredness might stem from poor nutrient absorption or systemic inflammation originating in the gut. 7. Skin issues. Eczema, acne, or other skin irritations often reflect gut toxicity. 8. Gas and bloating. These are classic symptoms of poor digestion or microbial imbalances. 9. Frequent infections or colds. Since 80% of our immune system resides in the gut, a weakened gut leads to compromised immunity. 10. Autoimmune conditions. Disorders like lupus or Hashimoto's thyroiditis often trace back to leaky gut syndrome. 11. Sugar cravings. Yeast or parasitic overgrowth can lead to intense cravings for sugar. 12. Difficulty concentrating. Poor gut health disrupts the production of brain chemicals necessary for focus and clarity. A holistic philosophy for healing the gut. Think of your gut as a garden. An unhealthy gut is like an overgrown, neglected garden filled with weeds and debris. To restore its health, we must approach it as diligent gardeners. Weed, remove harmful substances and habits that harm the gut. Restore the soil, replenish the gut microbiome with prebiotics, fiber, and probiotics, beneficial bacteria. Plant good seeds, introduce nutrient-dense, cleansing foods that support gut health. Maintain consistency, cultivate good habits around diet, stress management, and sleep. Harvest healing, utilize practices like fasting to reinforce gut healing and maintain balance. 7 ways to heal the gut naturally. 1. Eat to live and cleanse. Focus on a whole food, plant-based diet with an emphasis on raw, living foods. Avoid processed and fiber-deficient foods, which clog the system. Transition to eating predominantly raw fruits and vegetables over time for optimal results. 2. Incorporate intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting allows the gut to rest, repair, and restore. For instance, fasting for 14-16 hours daily, for example, stop eating at 7 p.m. and resume at 11 a.m., can significantly improve gut health by reducing inflammation and enhancing cellular repair. 3. Increase fiber intake and diversity. Fiber, found exclusively in plant foods, is crucial for gut health. Aim for a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes to nourish your gut microbiome with both soluble and insoluble fiber. 4. Detoxify your gut. Flush out toxins and undigested waste. The average person carries 10-25 pounds of undigested material in the gut, which can ferment and release harmful substances. Natural detox methods include herbal cleanses with ingredients like slippery elm, which soothes and reduces inflammation. 5. Prioritize quality sleep. Healing occurs during rest. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of uninterrupted, quality sleep each night. Establish a calming nighttime routine and stick to a consistent sleep schedule. 6. Manage stress effectively. Stress directly impacts gut health. Chronic stress can lead to ulcers, inflammation, and weakened immunity. Incorporate stress management practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to maintain a healthy gut-brain connection. 7. Add gut-healing superfoods. Certain foods offer exceptional benefits for gut health. Mushrooms, rich in prebiotics, mushrooms feed beneficial gut bacteria and enhance immunity. Sea moss, high in fiber, sea moss forms a soothing gel in the gut and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Slippery elm, this herb creates a protective gel-like coating in the gut, reducing inflammation and supporting repair. Coconut kefir, a fermented product rich in caprylic acid, which combats fungal overgrowth and hydrates the gut. Onions, packed with inulin, a prebiotic fiber that nourishes gut bacteria and supports a balanced microbiome. The gut-brain connection. Understanding the gut-brain connection emphasizes why gut health is central to mental well-being. The gut's enteric nervous system communicates directly with the brain, and imbalances in gut bacteria can result in mood disorders like anxiety and depression. For instance, serotonin, the happy chemical, is predominantly produced in the gut. By healing the gut, we can positively influence our emotional and cognitive health. Key practices for long-term gut health. Healing the gut is a journey. Here are some additional tips for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Stay hydrated. Water aids in digestion and helps flush toxins from the body. Chew thoroughly. Proper digestion begins in the mouth, so chew food slowly and thoroughly. Avoid overeating. Overloading the digestive system can strain its functions. Limit antibiotics. Use antibiotics sparingly, as they disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. Exercise regularly. Physical activity supports healthy digestion and reduces stress. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better gut health. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, so start incorporating these tips into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and tricks. Until next time, take care of your gut, and it will take care of you.